Hey guys, so today it is crazy stormy, so I apologise if you can hear like loads of rain and stuff in the background, but today I'm going to do another quick little Halloween haul. I do have loads and loads of stuff, but I've decided to split it into two videos instead of one big one, just so that I've got more to post basically. So there's not loads of stuff in this, but I did get some really cool things. So I'm going to start off with the biggest items first, like I did last time, so that I can put them here in the background. The first thing I got is this neon sign from Argos. This was £12. Last year they did one that said spooky. The one that they have done this year says eek. I don't love it as much as the spooky one. I think the spooky one is amazing, but for £12 it is still really cool. These are still available on the website, so if anybody wants one, they are on Argos. I will get this out now and show you what it looks like. They're really bright, like amazing quality, so I will sort this out and show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is what the eek sign looks like. I'm not sure if it's really showing up on camera very well how bright it is, because I've got a light shining onto me, but yeah, super bright neon green. It actually came with batteries as well, which is very handy, but I'm going to put this in the background. Next I got another freestanding little neon light. This one says boo, and it's on like a little circle base that you turn on and off at the bottom. This one lights up white. It's got a little test button here. So that is what that one looks like, and this one was only £6 from B&M, so I got one of those as well. I'm not going to go and sort the batteries out in this, but I will put it back here somewhere. You probably won't be able to see it, but there is that one as well. Then yesterday I went in Asda to see if they had any of these Mickey pumpkin plates that everyone's looking for, and they actually had this little tree. It's kind of like a black plastic twig sort of tree. It's really big. I don't really know if anything is showing up very well on this camera today. It looks really dark on my screen, but this was £6 from Asda. I'm not really going to use it as a Halloween decoration. I'm literally just going to use it as house decor somewhere, but that is our little twig tree. Anyway, I'll put that back here too. Then next, if you saw my first Halloween haul, you will have seen the skull snow globe cup that I got, and I said I was looking for the ghost one. Someone did actually find this for me on Instagram. I don't know if they want me to say the name, so I won't, just in case. But they did send this to me, which is absolutely amazing. I love it so much. The little globe on the top has some ghosts in there, like that, and the cup is just a little ghosty. So he was definitely one of the things I wanted most this Halloween. I searched everywhere for, so I absolutely love that. That is my little ghost snow globe cup. I also got this off someone on Instagram too. They picked this up for me. This is the Raydon spooky candle with the pumpkin topper. The scent is smoked pumpkin. Smells amazing. I just really like these jars. Like once the candle is gone, you can definitely keep this to put something in, so I think they're really cute. Next I got these from Poundland. They were just £1. There is two of them. They're like little placemat kind of things for the table. Not really sure if I'm going to keep these all year or just as a little Halloween decoration, but I thought for £1 they were pretty cute, so I got some of those. Next I got these from a shop called One Below. I'd actually never heard of the shop before until someone posted about it online. These are little cookie cutters. They are metal. They were only £1. There's a bat one and a ghost one. I don't really make biscuits and stuff, honestly, but I just thought I'd grab them for £1 because they are very cute. So that is those. Then something else from Poundland that I got is these bleeding tapered candles. I got 2 packs of these. There's 3 in each pack, and basically they are black candles that when they start to burn down, it's red inside. So the drips are red. I just thought these were really cool, especially 3 for £1 as well. That's really cheap. And I got these because I got this. So they are to go into this. This was from TK Maxx. It was £9.99, and it's just like a little spooky bat candelabra, would you call it, kind of thing. So it's got 3 things on the top, which is what they are for. And it is a little cheesy. I mean, it kind of reminds me of like an Addams Family Morticia sort of item, but I also really love it. So he was from TK Maxx. Then again, I don't know if it was in my last video maybe, or if it was in my first Halloween haul, I'm not too sure, but I got a Cobweb utensil holder, and I said there was something in the same design, and that was these. Now these are little measuring cups, so like the biggest one I think is a cup, then it's half a cup, a quarter, something like that. Honestly, I ordered these online and they're really messy. I don't know if you can really tell on camera very well, but all the cobwebs are just a mess. Like, they don't join nicely. Some of them are really squashed and messy and chipped, and I don't know, they're just not as cute as I thought they were, but they do sort of match. I also thought they 100% matched the utensil holder, but they don't. This is printed on, whereas that was like engraved in. They're cute. I can't remember how much these were. I think they were maybe $6.99 or $7.99, something like that. They are like a ceramic, so not too bad. Little measuring cups, but not as amazing as I was expecting. So there is those. They were from TK Maxx as well. Again, in one of my previous videos, I showed a canister that was white with orange splatters on it, and it had cobweb on, and I said there was something else in the same set I was getting, and that is this. So this is a little like spoon rest. You basically put it next to your like stove or whatever, so when you're mixing stuff, if you take the spoon out, you can put it onto here and not get the worktop dirty. So that is what that looks like. It's exactly the same as the little canister that I got. This, again, I've taken the price off, but I'm pretty sure that this was $2.99, so crazy cheap for like a ceramic Halloween item. So that is the little spoon rest. Then I got something else cobweb, which is this super mug, it's called. It is 24 ounces, all in one, cook, serve and store, dishwasher, microwave and oven safe, so that's cool. Basically it is a ceramic cup with these cobwebs like engraved into it. It's got a little plastic lid on there, has like a little air vent on the top. I can't do it because of my nails. There we go, in case you want to put it in the microwave. This was $3.99, so cheap. They did another one of these too. I think it was white with bats on it, but I really just wanted this one. So that is my little soup cup. And then staying on the theme of cups, I also got this one yesterday in Asda. I don't absolutely love this. I'm not really sure why I bought it, honestly. I think it's just because it was villains, it sort of attracted me in. It was only £4, so I might just take it to work to use it at work. But it's kind of like a cauldron shape, and it's got Cruella on it, and it says it's good to be bad. Doesn't have anything on the back, it's just like this. And then I've only got 2 things left. One is just a little pumpkin carving kit. Me and my boyfriend are gonna carve some pumpkins, so I grabbed this. It was £3. It's got 2 sets of spoons, 2 of these like spike things, 2 cutters, and oh no, 4 cutters, sorry, and also this little ghost guy. Not really sure what he does, maybe just like rolls along and carves the outline, but he's very cute. And it also has a stencil book inside as well, apparently. This was from Asda, so £3 if anybody needs some pumpkin carving kits. And then the very last item that I have for this haul is this candy corn latte candle. This is from DW Home, like a lot of the other ones that I got. It does also have the little like mouth hole at the top, so once the candle's gone you could use this as a coffee cup if you really wanted to. It is like a ceramic kind of thing. It smells amazing. It's like a honey scent. If you've ever had candy corn, it smells exactly like that. Really cool. They did have like green ones and stuff as well, different versions of this, but I just wanted the candy corn one. But yeah, that is everything I've got in this video. Anyway, I do have more stuff, so I'll be doing more videos, but I just thought I'd cut them down a little shorter. If you've done a Halloween haul, you'll have to let me know in the comments because I really love watching them, so let me know. And I hope you like this video. Anyway, if you did, please subscribe and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.